Hey, what's up guys? I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be removing the blower motor out of my First Gen Tundra because if you don't already know, these trucks don't have a cabin air filter, so it's really common for dust, debris, leaves, whatever to get caught up in the motor and then it makes some noise. So my AC is, sometimes it squeaks a little bit, other times it just sounds like something's knocking around in there. So hopefully we can get this motor out nice and easy and clean it up. So let's get into it. So the blower motor is located on the passenger side of the truck under the glove box here. And it's just held in with 3 screws. I think it's probably an 8mm or a Phillips head. I'll be using the Phillips head today. Cool, so you guys saw when I pulled it out, there's actually nothing in here, no debris or anything. So I'm assuming, because the noise is intermittent, stuff must just come in here and then get kind of chopped up and spit out. And that's why there's nothing in here right now. I couldn't get it to make the noise because there's nothing in here. So yeah, I was playing around with the bearing. It doesn't feel wobbly at all. The motor itself feels fine. If I turn it on, there's no abnormal noises. It sounds like it's dragging a tiny bit, but I think that's just normal because there's the electric motor in there. So yeah, I'm so glad I did this. I was considering getting a new motor, but after seeing this one, I'm not going to spend the money on it. But you can see it's easy enough to do. Just 3 screws and the whole thing comes right out. Well guys, there you have it. Just got rained out. I just barely beat it. But it was a really simple thing to check. It's 3 screws, pop it out. If you're not replacing it, you don't even have to disconnect that wire. And clean it out and you can throw it back in there. I will have a replacement motor linked in the description in case yours is on the fritz. You can throw a new one in there. You saw how easy it is. And I don't think they're that expensive either. So yeah, but with that, I know it's a short one today, but thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And have a great rest of your day.